Oh, yeah. This is movement. We are going to be opening our hips, and it could get tricky. So be careful and be intentional as we move side to side. Oh, opening up the hips. Yes, it can be very tricky, because we store so much emotional depth in these hips. Any emotion you can think about, that's where it goes. It's like giving birth to a new you. Take that arm over and open up the chest. Oh, and just let the little flow of your arms be as they are as you breathe into each intentional movement. Other side. So the heart is so open to this. The hips are so open to this. We are creating the poetry in our body. And it feels so good. So not are we only opening our hips, we have that chest open, and look at that back. Flatten it out. Breathe through it. Humble warrior. Other side. Doesn't it feel just divine as you pulsate that body? Now here we are, legs open. Ooh. Feel it, sense it, and know it. Ew. Oh. There can be a little pain with this, but it is good pain because you're breathing through it. You are fluid in this movement as you just check in with your breath. Oh. This is in the hip openers. It's temporary though, remember. We are in the union of body and mind as we slide side to side, no knee locks. This is the fluidity of motion. And we are working our thighs. I've been putting in so much more effort to working my thighs again, even though I'm still running and hiking and walking. It's just different on the mat. See? Sad. Can't help but feeling groovy. So groovy it is. Let's go ahead and go down. Make sure your knees are not compromised by this. Your knees don't have to look like mine. do what feels good for you. Of course. Try to let your sits bones come to the floor with this, and then open up your arm and stretch all the way over the best you can. Other side again. Do what you need to do. This is your practice. I am just the guide. I love yoga. It's now been 36 years that I have had my practice. I started in 1990 after teaching 12 aerobics classes a week. This book came to me, and this is an oh. The book was Shivananda's Guide to Beginner's Yoga. Forever changing my life. And no matter what Western culture does, I am still an Eastern yoga girl. Someone farted up above me. Up below me. Up. It was so loud. I digress, though. It was a temporary plop. I can't believe I could hear it so loud because I was in the silk of this moment. Feeling it. It is so expansive to the heart. And then you just feel sensual all day. Now look at the back opening here. This was at the beginning. Back open, hips open. Yeah. So, did you see how I was rubbing my thighs? That was just to, okay, I feel you thighs. This is tight. It's okay. We're gonna be fine. As we go down, exhaling forward. Do you. Go as deep as you can go. Do not worry about me. I'm Gumby, damn it. But you too could be in this position with practice if you're not there yet. But doesn't that feel ever so good? Bing, question mark. Come back up, inhale. And here we are, always in squat. That was a big release on my back, I have to tell you. Huge. And this is how expansive this session is. And there's nothing like getting in touch with your mat when you've become one with it. Okay, now we are going to go on our backs. Flat, chest open. Well, okay. We are going to go on our backs, I promise. But go ahead and open your thighs. There we go. This is our little dead bug. I found a dead gecko outside. He was fresh. I tried to revive him. I threw water on him. He was not coming back, darn it. Now feel this and open it. You're going to do what you can do, even if your legs are straight up. Okay, now abdominals. Breathe through this. Breathe through it. It's good. You're good. You're good. And alternate knees. And look at my neck and look at my shoulders, and I am pushing out of the shoulders and fish. Settle in. Quietly let your body come to the peace it deserves. Check in with your breath and your feet. We're just here a short time in this pose and in life. Do what makes you happy. And you make me happy. Now this is a really deep pose here. Look how deep this goes. But you can do it. Other side, as we finish out this slow flow session. I call this silk. Namaste.